And hello there, Ultraman fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is the figurized standard Ultraman suit Type A. So basically, this is the Ultraman suit of Ace in the Ultraman Netflix anime series, and I think this is just suit A action. Yeah. So in the box art here, we can see his special move. Off to the side, we see him front and back, some articulations that you can do with him. And since it's an action variant, there are no LEDs, but a fully articulated torso. And yep, an extra pair of arms because yes, in the anime and in the manga, something went wrong, and yeah, his hearts were crushed. And this is Ace here with regards to the manga and the anime. And yep, and if you're wondering, yes, I'm also wondering why this is in Chinese, but I guess hey, it is in Chinese, or I think it's in Japanese, but hey, that's what you get for ordering outside. But it is legit because we have the Bandai Namco and the blue Bandai Spirits. Okay, so let's take a look what's inside the box. We have one bag with an effect parts, all silver and yep, gray. Another bag with all red and sticker sheet. Another bag with clear blue, black and silver. Another more bag with silver and red, because hey, they are Ultraman and that's their color. And another bag with this understand and the black one. Yep. And of course here we have the instruction manual, which is still in English, and it does the Ultraman Suit A action, so not Type A, just A, because it's Aces. Yeah. So let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. First off, we have the A sprue here, which is all silver, and yeah, some parts of the LED type torso is still here. So that's the A sprue, all silver, because yeah, they're Ultraman. It also has an A2, which of course some parts are replicated. I think this is just a fourth of it. Then we have a B1, wherein we start to see the red of the Ultraman. Yep. B1, and we also have a B2, again with some parts replicated because twice. You have to build it twice. And of course, we have a C1, which is a dark gray. And a C2, which is also dark gray for, you know, some parts, articulations, limbs. And we have a D1, which is the special effects. Yep. But of course, there is also a D2, which is for some clear parts. And an E1, wherein we are starting to see some parts of the action torso. And an E2, again, parts of the action torso as well. And of course, we have an F, which is again for the action torso, I guess. Yep. And we can't forget the standard stand that we always have. And of course, it does contain with a small sticker sheet, unlike, you know, the previous Ultras have large rotor sheets and only a small portion of, yeah, only a small dry transfer, because hey, he's not part of the SSB, so he has a different dry transfer. And there you have it, Ultraman fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the Ultraman Suit A action type. And despite, you know, the foreign box art, it is a legitimate Bandai kit. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.